एल्टन डिकॉस्टान सभापती पदा खातीर उमेदवारी अर्ज भरला। लोकशायेचो राखणदार हो न्यूट्रल आसपाक जाय हें घटनात्मक तत्व मतींत दवरून आमी एल्टनाक तेंको दिला अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांवान सांगलें।
काँग्रेसीचो आमदार एल्टन डिकॉस्टान आयज सभापती पदा खातीर आपलो उमेदवारी अर्ज दिलो। विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांव, आमदार एडवोकेट कार्लोस फरेरा, आपचो आमदार वेन्झी विएगास आनी क्रूज सिल्वा ताचे बरोबर हाजीर आशिल्ले। विरोधी पक्षांचो ताका तेंको मेळ्ळा। गोवा फॉरवर्डा बरोबर चर्चा केल्ल्याचें युरीन सांगलें। मजगतीं सरकार पक्षांतलो उमेदवार 23 सप्टेंबराक आपलो अर्ज सादर करतलो।
दोन फॉर्म आज घातले फॉर नॉमिनेशन ऑफ द स्पीकर्स पोस्ट एंड वी हैव प्रपोज्ड एल्टन डिकॉस्टा, seconded by वेन्झी विएगास, and Carlos has also proposed and seconded by Cruz Silva. So definitely democracy has to be vibrant and opposition also role खूप महत्वाचो. I thank my colleague Bob Eldon DaCosta for accepting what the opposition felt कि एक healthy democracy स्पीकराचो post you have to be a neutral, a custodian आसपाक जाय, and there has to be election. As we said, we were the first, the opposition have filed these two nominations, and I wish him all the best.
So opposition सगळ्या वांगडा because दोन जाण दिसोंक ना आमकां.
दोन I spoke. Viresh is in Malinkini allo, and Vijay I have spoken. He could not come today, but he has said whatever we decide, he is going to stand with us with whatever.
So they are supporting you.
100%. All the 7 are going to. You are going to see it now on 24.
As our LOP has said, one form is proposed by a leader of opposition and seconded by Vencey, and आमगे दोतरान proposed करून Vencyn Cruzan केला second केला. So all our opposition members, MLAs had felt that I should fill the nomination of the speaker's post. So with everyone's consent, I have filled this. So now I will approach the ruling side also MLAs, and I will ask for their support. We know what is our numbers, but when we felt that we also should file the nomination and the speaker has to be neutral for ruling as well as opposition.
There is a 22nd session of a special session for the speaker elections.
election
speaker elections 25 तारखेला.